Hi everyone, today I'm gonna talk about the topic Hyperbaton, and basically the topic Hyperbaton is not that much difficult as you think so. Basically, if someone asks this question that what Hyperbaton is, so you simply say that it is nothing but it is just a figure of speech like simile, metaphor and personification, right? Basically, Hyperbaton refers to the rearrangement of words, and you might have seen that each and every sentence has proper structure and proper arrangement of words, right? But whenever you change its structure and whenever you change the arrangement of words in a sentence, so that is simply called it Hyperbaton in English language. Just take the example of Jane Austen. She says in the novel Pride and Prejudice that never have I seen such a sight, and the normal structure has been changed. Basically, the normal structure of this sentence is I have never seen such a sight, right? So here it is what? It is Hyperbaton. And another general example is to the market I will go. Basically, this one is also Hyperbaton, and the normal structure is I will go to the market. But the question is, why do we change the arrangement of sentence? So let me tell you in simple words, mostly that is why we change it in order to emphasize a thing or a word or idea in a sentence. So here the market is emphasized, so that is why it is used first in the sentence. To the market I'll go, right? And if you have enjoyed this lecture, please do not forget to like and subscription to my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.